If you need to log out of your Exodus wallet account on your desktop, it's quick, it's easy. I'm going to show you exactly how to actually do it. So follow along. So the first thing we need to do is right here on our desktop app, we're going to go to the top on the right hand side and we're going to click on settings. And here we're going to look for backup. Now, if you have not yet completed your backup, you'll need to do this. So what you'll need to do is you're going to go into backup and you are going to just click on the reset. I'm going to just reset this for now. And here you'll have to enter a password. Okay, so if you haven't got a password, you won't be able to log in and out. So once you've entered your password, you can then go and create a backup, which will give you 12 words or phrases. And once this is set up, you'll be able to, if you go just like this and close this, open it up again, it'll now ask you for that password. So once you type in that password, you can go ahead, click on enter, and you'll now be able to log back into your Exodus wallet desktop app. Now, if you don't have this, of course, when you exit the app and come back in, it'll just open up without asking you to log in. So this is the way to actually set your account up so that you can log out when you leave the app.